Hello everyone, welcome to Waste 360 Coffee Talk. My name is Gage Edwards. Today I'm joined by John McBurney of Kanadevia Inova. John, how are you doing?
Doing well, Gage. Hope you're doing well today.
I'm doing well, very tired. It's only day 2 here, but still have one more day to go, so hopefully these legs make it.
Yep, they'll make it.
John, why don't we tell everyone at home a little bit about what you do?
All right, so I'm the North American Market Sales Manager for Waste to Energy Technologies for a company called Kanadevia Inova, headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. Our US headquarters is in Knoxville, Tennessee. And we specialize in waste to energy and renewable gas technologies.
Now, John, I'd like to know, when you guys are talking about waste to X, what does that mean?
Well, great question. Let's first agree on a definition for waste to energy, and then we can use that to discuss waste to X. So, waste to energy is a process by which non-recyclable and non-hazardous household and commercial waste is used as a fuel to generate safe, reliable, baseload electric power and heat. Now, Waste to X builds on this concept because it refers to a comprehensive recycling, composting, and waste disposal campus where the waste to energy plant is like the anchor tenant in a shopping mall. And innovative and complementary technologies are co-located with the waste to energy facility for maximum benefit. These innovative technologies can include anaerobic digestion, enhanced metals recovery, salt recovery from air pollution control residues, data centers, and carbon capture technologies, as well as using reclaimed water from wastewater treatment plants for cooling. And then there's also the option for socially attractive features such as sports complexes.
Now, John, I'd like to know, how does waste to energy work?
Well, actually it works very well. And it's the most hygienic and safe waste management option available today. And the way the process works is this. First, we receive waste from curbside collections and place them in a bunker at our facility. And then the waste is combusted in a totally contained environment. And during this process, water is heated to make steam in a boiler. The steam from that boiler is then routed to a steam turbine generator to make reliable baseload electric power, which is then exported to the grid. The exhaust gas from the combustion process is thoroughly cleaned and treated in a multi-stage process before being released under very strict environmental conditions. The bottom ash and the fly ash from the process are treated, and then the bottom ash is made available for use in construction to offset the use of primary materials such as sand and gravel. I think an important note to make here as well is that waste to energy is an integral component of the circular economy because it supports recycling by processing the non-recyclable waste, making a sustainable and economically efficient circular economy possible.
Now, are you against landfills?
Are we against landfills? No, of course not. In fact, waste to energy actually complements landfills and should be used whenever appropriate. See, when waste to energy is used to treat the waste initially, then that reduces the overall volume of the waste by up to 80%. So then this reduces the load on the landfills and actually helps to extend the useful life of the landfills. Another important part to note is that there will always be some materials that are not recyclable, and they're also not suitable for treatment in a waste to energy plant. That material needs a place to go. It needs a home, and that's a landfill. The benefit of a waste to energy plant is that the waste to energy plants actually generate 10 times the electric power per ton of MSW when compared to a landfill gas to electricity project. So there is a benefit of waste to energy, and the technologies complement each other and should be used as much as possible together.
Now, when we're talking North America, where do you see the potential for waste to energy?
Great question again. So the first most obvious opportunities would exist where landfills are being closed because they've run out of space. Those would be prime opportunities for waste to energy projects. Other opportunities would exist where there are existing waste to energy facilities that have probably run out their expected useful life and they are due for replacement. So those are good opportunities as well. Another opportunity would be where you have a large population base, where waste to energy could be of benefit. In fact, at that point, it's probably the optimum choice from a sustainability and economic efficiency standpoint anyway.
Well, John, that was a lot of information. I think I've learned something today. Hopefully everyone at home did as well. For more content from Waste Expo, make sure you stick to waste360.com.